the daily update of the 1000 days challenge. This is day 613. So let's get things started. Alright, first and foremost, the balance has a slight improvement, but that is purely based on a few days ago I closed the trade on 1st of April. I did mention that I was moving on 1st of April, so even though I did close the trade, I did not update in terms of the trading balance itself. And earlier today, I also got stop out in terms of my price action trading method, which I did mention to you guys as well. So that was being stopped out right over there at around the trade we're concerned about, I would say. Yep. So basically, this was a candlestick which actually triggered the stop loss itself because I was actually putting quite a tight stop loss in that sense. So right now we actually have a very strong bearish candlestick itself. You can see the selling off pressure is definitely higher right now. So as to where we can find support potentially, I do see potential support for me at 43 region itself. Alternatively, you look on the daily chart itself, even with 2 times there. And the key thing is as long as you can close above the 44.8K region itself, I would still think that we have a very much of a healthy bullish trend itself. So we can have a very nice ABC kind of corrective pattern before we actually trend towards the upside in this kind of formation itself. All right. And finally, yeah, in terms of the traditional financial market situation, what I would say is that basically for S&P 500 and Nasdaq, we are still looks to have a very calm and very nice price action in terms of pullback-wise, nothing too much of concern. In fact, I would say you can look in the person way that crypto is actually highly correlated to the bull as of this moment. On the other hand, for AHR and KWEB, tentatively they are right now consolidating right below the key horizontal resistance. So it's really dependent on how strong they can be in terms of pushing towards the upside. If they do break, or alternatively they do consolidate and break towards the downside, it could very much still be further downside in particular scenario. Of course, I'm still leaning a little bit more bullish, but that doesn't mean that we cannot break towards the downside in that sense. All right. So otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.